All right. So a lot of you requested that I teach the 7 finger technique. Okay. Somebody said the drumming technique, and that's a very accurate description of it. It's like a drumming technique. So I will teach you that today. I won't be playing any backing track in the background because I actually want you to focus on just this aspect of playing, okay? I want you to focus on learning how to do the thumb technique, how to play all of the percussion, because in 7 it's never complete without the percussion. Okay, it's never complete. So we'll use a very, very simple bass line. The bass line we'll use will be this bass line right here. That's a very, very common 7 bass line. The progression is 1, 5, 4, 5. Okay? 5, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5, 1, 5, 5, 4, 5, 1. Okay? So it goes like this. So, re, fa, fa. So, re, do. Okay? That's 1, 5, 4, 5. So, re, fa, fa. So, re, do. You see how I just did that? Right? So the way I like to think about it is your fingers are always going like, and then whichever beat falls on. So you see how this goes like this? That's falling somewhere in between this thing like this. So the percussion goes like this. That's how I like to that. Many people do theirs differently, but this is how I do mine, okay? Thumb. Okay? Thumb, index, thumb. Okay? You see? That's the first note. You see? You see that? It's always going. So it's always going. It's always going. And it's very easy. Another way you can think about it is by just playing it in your head. So wherever there's a space, you want to play a percussion because you never want it to be empty. So that's how it goes, okay? Da 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 da. So if you are drumming, there'll be no space here. Da da da. You'll put something there before you come to this. Da da. And then out of this little space, you'll put something there too. Da da da. Space. Da da. Space. With that space, you want to put ghost notes in between, okay? Da 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 da. Okay? Da da da. what I'm doing with my mouth is what you will do with your fingers, okay? Dun, 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 but you see, that you do da 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 da. So that's how you do it. It's not difficult. And then also, how do I play the ghost notes? Okay, when you play ghost notes, you rest your fingers over the string lightly. Okay, if you rest your finger over it lightly and you strike the string, you see how it sounds? It will not ring out because my hand is over it lightly. It's not pressing. If I press it down, it will ring out. Okay, so press it down, let it ring out, and then you release it slowly. As you release it, it will stop ringing. Okay, you see that? So that's what you want this sound, not this sound. Same thing here. So if I do this, it will not sound. So that's the ghost note. Okay, if I press it down, it will sound. If I just hold it, it will not sound. I'm holding it because if I don't hold it, that means this will ring out. And I don't want that to ring out, so I want to hold it. So if I hold it, then it will just be like this. It will not ring out. So that's the ghost note. Da 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 da. You see how I just did that? So you only play the ghost notes within the space. If your bass line is 4 and there is no space, then there's no need for ghost notes. So when I just did this, you see I filled that space for a note. That means I didn't have to play the bass line. I didn't have to play the ghost notes. Now I only have one space for the ghost notes, so I do this. So ghost notes. You see? I just say. You see? But if I wanted to play the ghost notes in that other space, I'll do this. Yeah, I won't play this one. Or I'll just do this. That do. Yeah, come here. Okay, that's it. I hope you get it now.